Let's meet Carter, a sophomore majoring in music who keeps busy by performing in several ensembles at VCSU. Carter knew from an early age that he wanted to make the most of his career, and he was blown away by the modern music facilities here during a campus tour. Tell us all about it, Carter. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. Growing up, I was surrounded by music, whether that was someone playing the piano downstairs, someone cooking and having music playing in the background, or me banging away on guitar and calling that practicing. But needless to say, music has always been around, and I think pretty early on, I knew I wanted to make music my career. The music department at Valley City State University has been incredibly supportive, with faculty who genuinely care and a student body that's both welcoming and inclusive. It's obvious they want me to succeed, not only as a student, but as a musician. I'm involved in numerous musical ensembles with opportunities to play concerts both on campus and off campus in the community. We even had a chance to go on tour last year, culminating with a performance at the Mount Rushmore Amphitheater. I toured campus during my junior year of high school and was blown away by the music facilities, from the state-of-the-art recording studio to the band room that feels like a second home, and the beautiful performance hall. This building is incredible. Having access to such top-notch facilities really fuels my creativity and passion for music. I do a lot of my practicing in the studio. This gives me the opportunity to keep the creative flow going. And it's not just music. The Center for the Arts also has a stunning art gallery, several art studios, and a digital design lab. At VCSU, our large music ensembles are open to everyone, no audition required. I played alongside students who've grown up with music their whole lives and others who picked up an instrument for the very first time. No matter your background, it's a welcoming, supportive environment that really does feel like one big family. Well, that's my story. Back to you, Alex.
Wow, Carter, we love to see your creativity on full display at VCSU. The music department here has opportunities for all students, whether you're seeking a career as a musician or a music teacher or just love performing, you'll want to check it out. Thanks again, Carter.